Estillon, fundamental for floors. Estillon has been in business since 1965 and we're proud of this. Since then, we have become a leading producer of underlays for laminate, PVC, vinyl, linoleum and carpet. Estillon supplies various wholesalers, retail chains and building outfitters. Our customer service department will be pleased to take your orders or to answer any questions you might have. Our smart and durable underlay solutions can be found not only in homes and offices but also in hotels, casinos, theatres and on cruise ships. Among flooring professionals, we're known for our innovative, installation-friendly products and for our professional support. We're constantly developing our products and keeping track of all the trends in the flooring market. Estillon is qualified for the ISO 9001 certificate. Estillon is very committed to its research and development activities. To guarantee the quality of our products, we also inspect them before they leave our premises. Aspects playing an important role in this include noise reduction, fire resistance, and suitability for underfloor heating. Our central warehouse stocks enough products to meet our customers' demands. Our production lines manufacture modular flooring systems. Also included in our production process is the sawing of wooden panels exactly to size and free of tension. By conducting these operations ourselves, we can deliver on a flexible basis and guarantee product quality. For many of our customers, we provide transport services, including the delivery of the accompanying documents, to destinations in the Netherlands and abroad. Estillon, fundamental for floors.